Alright, hello guys, Yasir Khan here, and in this short video I am just going to be talking a little bit about one simple strategy which can potentially double your revenue. Yes, it's going to take some time. Yes, it will definitely take some effort, but the results will be well worth it. So what exactly is that strategy? The strategy is to get your front desk to follow up with people who are interested in 5 minutes or less. Okay? Now you now you might be saying, well, it's not that simple to do because I have just one person sitting at the front desk or maybe two people and we get so many calls. I totally understand that. But here's the thing. A lead which is followed up on within 5 minutes or less is 22 times more likely to sign up with you. In other words, to go and sign up for the procedure or treatment that you prescribe to them, or come in for a consult or an appointment. Here's the thing. In 2019, people have a lot of options. This is especially the case with dental offices. In every single city, there are probably 30 to 50 or 60 different dental offices, probably more, depending on how big the city is. In other words, people have a lot of choice as to whether they would want to go with you or whether they would like to go with someone else. And the top dental offices are very good and very fast at following up with people who show interest. Here's why. When someone is looking for a dentist, they look up a dentist, they go to the website, they either call that person up, like the front desk up, or they leave a message saying, please call me back, fully knowing that the dental office or a service provider is not going to call them back in the first 5 minutes. I've asked many people, and in their mind, they kind of understand that it's going to take at least 1 or 2 days for this particular person or this business to call me back. So when you call them back in 5 minutes, they will be really happy and they'll give you their business as opposed to going with another dental office. Whenever I sign up a new client, okay, I almost always go onto their website, file in a request for the front desk to call me back, and it normally takes them at the very least one day. And that's a lot of time. A lot can happen in a day. Okay? Sometimes it takes them 2 or 3 days. Around 40% of the times or 30% of the times, they don't even call me back or follow up with me. I'm telling you this because you should understand that the way you follow up, the way your front desk follows up with prospects, has a huge impact on your revenue. Okay? So calling someone back the next day will probably lose you a lot more patients than you might think. This is why the top dental offices have a live widget on their website. So people who are on their website, they can talk directly to the front desk. You might have seen that many times. You might even have that widget installed. It is all about the patient journey. If you have seen other videos of mine, you know what the patient journey is. If you provide them with a subpar patient journey, they will not become your patients. It's very simple. Following up with prospects two days down the road tells them that you're either busy as it is or you just don't care. And as a dentist, it is in your direct interest if people think that you care about them. Okay? People come in for the experience and the level of care that you provide. Right? So please make sure that your front desk, they are trained to follow up with people as quickly as the lead is received. We do that for our clients. Okay, whenever we sign on a client, we make sure that whenever they get a lead, okay, someone shows interest, that lead gets sent to them in 2 seconds, and I mean 2 seconds. Not more than that. The lead is emailed to their front desk email address. In 2 seconds, the front desk gets an alert, and if they're really doing their job properly, they will call that person back right there and then. I challenge you to put this into action you will be pleasantly surprised by the kind of results you see in 6 months, probably in 4 months, depending on how thoroughly and how actively your front desk follows this. And if you don't have enough people at the front desk, hire someone new, hire more people. Yes, you might be increasing your overhead in the short term, but they will more than help you recover the cost. You'll generate more revenue. You will get more positive Google reviews, because people are very people will tell you, if they'll mention on Google reviews, if your staff was quick in following up with them. It matters to patients, it matters to prospects. Okay, it builds upon the reputation, on your reputation. Okay, if you start doing this right now, in 2 or 3 years, you could be known as the practice which really cares about their patients, because they always follow up really quickly. It's very simple. All it takes is consistent action every single day. And this is the simplest thing that you can do to double your revenue. Okay? I hope this helps. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.